Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use Samsung smartphones running One UI as Wi-Fi repeater without using any third-party apps. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your respective Samsung smartphone, just connect your Samsung smartphone with the respective Wi-Fi internet connection. So you can see in my case it's already been connected, and now just turn on the Bluetooth. So now on your respective computer or smartphones, just open the Bluetooth settings. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 computer, so just right mouse click on this Bluetooth icon and click on this show Bluetooth devices. Now search for the respective devices. So in my case it's already being added, so if your Samsung smartphone is not added, then you can just click on this add device and you can add your respective devices. So now on your Samsung smartphone, just open the settings and just click on this connections, click on this mobile hotspot and tethering. Now you can see here Bluetooth tethering, just turn it on, click on it again. Now just right mouse click on this Bluetooth icon and click on this join a personal area network. Just click on this add a device. So it's searching right now, so select your respective device, click on next. Now click on yes here and click on pair on your respective Samsung smartphone to pair it properly. So finally the pairing has been completed. Now just right mouse click on this respective Samsung smartphone and click on this connect using and select this access point. Now you can see on the Samsung smartphones, you can see here currently connected device, so it's been connected successfully. So now let us try opening some websites, whether the internet connections is working perfectly or not. So let me open any web browser and let me click on this images. So you can see it's working perfectly. Let me click on this Google. So you can see it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily use Samsung smartphones running One UI as Wi-Fi repeater without using any third-party apps very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.